Hungry. Blech.
I didn't expect it to handle these winds. Man, ESKY, I can tell you, you have a winner right here. And look at this, ESKY. I am a very, very long fan of your helicopters. I mean, it's over a decade. I used to make videos of ESKY helicopters, you know, Honeybee and King, and those were nice helicopters. I'm very, very happy that ESKY is back with all new technology. Look at what a sleek, sexy helicopter right here, the 300V2. It says on the box, LEDs, high resistance, tough and durable canopy or shell, super stable with 6DOF FXZ flight controller. That is all new brand new flight controller they have developed for this helicopter, and dual rates as well. And then look at that right here, 310mm in length and 88mm in height. It's a fixed pitch helicopter ready to fly in this box with everything that you need to fly it. First thing, you have a detailed user manual right here. And you must be wondering what that is. Well, this is for you to strengthen your helicopter shell, or if you damage the helicopter shell, you can repair with this. So first, let's take out some little things. I'm very, very happy that I got 3 batteries right here. Thank you very much, ESKY, for sending 3 batteries. These are 320 milliamp 2S 7.4 volt batteries. Okay. And then we have a battery charger right here, USB based battery charger, which gives 1 amp output. So batteries should charge faster compared to the older, slower chargers. Then we have extra blades, tools, and yeah, thank you very much. They also send me Gassner AA size batteries, 4 of them. And we have a tail propeller, and behold, the main beauty coming out right here. I wish I could play the Airwolf sound. It does look like Airwolf in a sense with the color scheme, but look at that. What a thin and aerodynamic profile. Looks really like a shark in the air, right? Okay, they also have like shark kind of fins right here. So we're gonna take a closer look at it, and I can tell you it's a little heavy. It's not like that lightweight helicopter. It does have some quality components in there, I would say. Down here we have the Mini 6X ESKY new radio controller. Nice. I would say I like it. It's small and fits in my hands like it's designed for my hands, you know. So we have throttle, rudder, forward, backward, left, right, mode 2, on off switch, trimmers, okay, and motor arm and disarm switch and dual rate switch. Very simple radio, nothing very complex about it. Now. This is a beauty, man, right here. I am really excited and very, very happy to see that ESKY is really developing something really new and fresh right here. Okay, so we have, this is a flybarless fixed pitch helicopter, and what you want to notice is a brand new design right here, which is very, very new. You can see like a complete system right here. These connecting rods are coming through inside this swash plate piece, and the main blade holders, they are all like integrated in one design. Looks like a very realistic thing right here. Okay, then we have a switch right here, and once you turn it on, it will always initialize its gyro. Look at that, man. I am really getting excited. And there is no landing gear, just have these fins on which the helicopter sits really nice. And they said the canopy is also very, very durable, but still if you break it, which, you know, because it's a two-piece canopy coming from left and right, you might want to install those canopy repair tapes earlier so that you don't cause much damage. And back here we have a tail motor, okay, tail motor driven, 3-blade propeller, and a little bit of you know, metal strip or metal pin to hold the tail from hitting, to keep the tail from hitting the ground right here. Now, how do you install the battery? Well, down here you have a battery compartment which you can open by unscrewing this one, okay? And one moment, give me a moment, it should open, and this opens down just like that. Look at that, how beautiful. They did design it really nice this time. So it does open all the way down here, and they said it will open 90 degrees, but I don't want to push it too much. Inside you can see right here the mechanism, motor is right here, I believe, but the battery connector is right here. You will install the battery here and put the battery balance plug down here so it will not, you know, hang around inside. Again, a very nice considerate design here. Okay, and after that, once you strap the battery, you close it and, you know, tighten this little screw here and you are good to go. Beautiful, isn't it? I mean, really, look at this sleek, sexy design right here. Okay, so I don't want to talk more. I have shown you radio as well, okay, and other accessories. Let's start charging the batteries, and once the batteries are charged, let's give it a flight right away. Now I can tell you this helicopter is probably not designed for this much winds, but again, I'm willing to try it. Arm the motor using this switch and you're good to fly. Here is your dual rates and trimmers of helicopter going around. See? Let's see how it goes and how stable it is. So once you arm, the motor will start spinning the main rotor at very low idle speed, and then you can, you know, take off by giving it more throttle. Wow, look at that. It's actually handling these winds, man. Look at that. Nice. I didn't expect it to handle these winds. Looks like a shark, flying shark in the air, kind of like Airwolf, you know. Winds are pushing, but look at that, it has enough angle of attack, and because of that sleek aerodynamic canopy, it's actually cutting through, slicing through the wind without any issues and going forward at very good speeds. Actually picking up good speeds as well. Really nice and stable, I can tell you. Look at that. Hands free, huh? And this is outdoors because winds are pushing it, but indoors if you set the trims, it's gonna be very, very stable. Look at that. Completely hands free. All you need to do is control the throttle. And I'm really happy the ESKY did not put altitude hold in it, because we all need to learn throttle control when it comes to flying helicopters. And having to have this helicopter which can actually handle this much wind, man, look at that. A lot of wind coming now. Having to have a helicopter, beginner friendly helicopter, that can handle this much winds outside and is still this much stable, beginners are going to simply love it. I mean, you can learn to fly with it and you can enjoy flying it indoors and outdoors without having to wait for good weather, you know, no winds. Unlike any other helicopters which actually requires no winds outdoors, man, this is actually handling much more wind than I expected. So you're gonna have a lot of fun outside, man. Controls are really nice. I mean, now I'm flying at high dual rates because I'm outdoors and winds are a bit higher, but still controls are really superb. I have no problem controlling it in these winds, and when I want to hover, I can let it hover anywhere I want. Just need to control it given that all those winds. Nice and quiet, man. Very nice helicopter, I can tell you that. Look at that. Controls are really nice, and gyro is absolutely solid here. So I'm just gonna put it against the wind, the gyro, like the tail perpendicular to the wind, and see how the gyro is behaving without touching the rudder. Okay, now I'm just controlling the throttle and roll, as you can see, and tail is still in that direction. So gyro is really nice and solid. One moment, let me put it to one more test. I will put the tail against the wind and see how the gyro holds it there. Okay, now the tail is against the wind. One moment, let me control it. It's a fixed pitch helicopter, so you have to have a lot of throttle control here, fine throttle control. But look at that, I'm not touching the rudder, and it's actually not turning around. So the gyro hold, as you can see, is really nice and solid. See, this much wind coming, slapping it up and down, but it's still, the gyro is nice, solid. Very solid hold. Man, ESKY, I can tell you, you have a winner right here. If this beginner helicopter, fixed pitch helicopter, can fly in this much winds, I can only imagine how much fun I will have indoors. You know, I can only imagine how much fun I can have indoors and how stable it will be indoors. Oh, I hear thunder, people. So a rainstorm is approaching. Also, it's giving a lot of flight time on that 2S battery. That's a small 2S battery, and it's still flying. Look at that, giving a lot of flight time. Love it, man. Look at that. I can tell you, I am an Airwolf helicopter fan, and this has kind of Airwolf shape and kind of sharky body. I'm very happy they went with this nice sleek design, man, because this really helps in the winds, you know. Look, I can go against the wind, just push a little forward and I can go against the wind. So let's do this way. I will turn off the turn down the dual rates. Okay, hold on, let me bring it closer to myself. Okay, so dual rates off, or lower dual rates. And I want to say if I can still fight the winds or not. A lot of wind coming, as you can see. You can probably hear it as well. But it's still, look, just a little push forward and I can still go against the wind, even at low dual rates. And really, look at that, this much wind and tail is in the wind, but I don't have to do anything on the yaw. It just holds its tail there. Very solid tail gyro, man. And absolutely very stable. Look at that. Hands free, I'm just controlling the throttle. And winds are pushing it back. But this is really very stable helicopter. Look, once the wind calms down, it is really very stable, man. I can control it very well, I can tell you that. Oh, my big horn, I'm really sorry. We crashed that. You can watch the video on my channel as well. I'm still flying because I want to see how long the battery actually holds it in the air. And I absolutely love the controls. And against this much wind, I'm still flying it on low dual rates. I can still go against the wind. This is absolutely awesome. Okay, now my throttle is gone, so I had to land it because battery is dying, and all you need to do is quickly disarm and then disarm. So I just swapped the battery because I want to show you a good landing. Again, the same winds are still on, same wind levels as you can see. Helicopter really performs well, man. I love it. Ooh, yay! There's a thunderstorm coming today. So comes more wind, pushes the helicopter back, and now I have to give myself a challenge to land it properly. Come on, helicopter. You can do it. And there we go. Successful landing. Disarm. Thank you very much, ESKY, for releasing this. Next video, stay tuned for indoor flights. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.